In this video, I will show you all the steps needed for installing the app on your smartphone or tablet. Installing the Alexa app helps you get the most out of your Amazon Echo device. The Alexa app is also where you will set up your Well Said skill to participate in the Well Said program. Open the App Store on your device and enter Alexa app in the search field. You should then see the Amazon Alexa app. Next, download this app to install it on your device. To sign into the Alexa app, you will need to know either the email address of your Amazon account or the phone number associated with your account. Enter that on the top line of the sign-in screen. Then enter the password associated with your Amazon account. You can click Forgot Password if you need to reset your password. You should now receive a text message or email to complete sign-in. Click the link in the message to finish the sign-in process. This step confirms that it is you who is accessing the Amazon account. You will receive a notice letting you know someone signed into your Amazon account. Again, this is just for verification that it is you signing into your account. You don't need to take any action here. You will be prompted to select the name of the account holder. This is because you can have more than one person on an Amazon account. The next prompt will ask you if you would like to allow notifications to be sent to your Alexa app. You can select yes or later to continue. We suggest clicking yes, because that will allow you to see messages or alerts that Alexa sends on your phone. The next prompt will ask if you want to add family members to your Alexa account. This allows Alexa to recognize them on the same Alexa device that you might use, and customize your interactions. That's all you will need to do to set up your Alexa app. Your app is a good place to search for custom Alexa skills, like Well Said. It's also the easiest place to control any privacy settings or permissions that you might want to limit or change in the future. And if you ever want to use Alexa or skills that you've installed, like Well Said, when you're not at home, you can use your mobile device. But you'll be prompted to allow the Alexa app to access your device's microphone.